Samsung's latest smartphone lineup might be taking an unexpected turn. While many were already anticipating the arrival of the Galaxy S25 series, the reveal of the Galaxy S25 Edge at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event caught a lot of people off guard. Samsung introduced the phone but chose to leave out important details like its specifications, price, and release date. However, fresh leaks are now providing a clearer picture of what to expect. According to a report from South Korea's SE Daily, the Galaxy S25 Edge is scheduled for launch on April 16, 2025, with sales beginning in May. The phone is rumored to be available in black, blue, and silver. Pricing is expected to be slightly higher than the standard Galaxy S25, positioning the device as a premium alternative within the lineup. This pricing strategy suggests Samsung might be targeting a niche group of users looking for something different from the regular flagship models. What stands out the most is the limited production. Reports indicate that only 40,000 units will be manufactured initially, a surprisingly low number for a high-end smartphone. This could mean Samsung is testing the market before deciding whether to scale up production or keep it exclusive. It's also possible that the company is unsure about demand for this new variant, given that it takes a slightly different approach compared to other models in the series. This strategy could either create excitement by making the phone feel exclusive or frustrate potential buyers if stocks sell out quickly. In terms of features, the S25 Edge is expected to share most of its hardware with the Galaxy S25 Plus. However, there are two significant differences: the camera setup and the phone's overall design. Unlike the S25 Plus, which includes a triple camera system, the S25 Edge will reportedly have only two rear cameras. Samsung is said to be equipping it with a 200-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. While some might see the removal of a third lens as a downgrade, the high-resolution primary camera could still deliver impressive results. The ultra-wide lens will also provide versatility, making it easier to capture wider shots, whether it's landscapes or group photos. Another key difference is the phone's design. The Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be significantly thinner than the S25 Plus, making it an appealing choice for users who prefer a sleek and lightweight device. A slimmer profile usually means a smaller battery, but Samsung might have optimized both the hardware and software to ensure efficient power management. If the company can maintain good battery life despite the thinner frame, this device could be a great option for those who want a premium feel without the bulk of larger flagship phones. Samsung's decision to introduce a model like the S25 Edge is an interesting one. It's not often that a smartphone brand launches a high-end variant with fewer cameras but a slimmer and more stylish build. This move suggests that Samsung is exploring a different market segment, offering a premium design-focused device for those who value aesthetics and portability over extra camera features. If this experiment proves successful, Samsung might expand this concept further in the future. The big question now is whether the limited availability and slightly higher price will make the Galaxy S25 Edge an appealing choice for buyers. Some might see it as an exclusive, stylish alternative to the standard S25, while others could be hesitant due to the absence of a third camera. Either way, the upcoming launch will reveal if Samsung's approach pays off. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Edge? Does a thinner design and a high-resolution camera make it stand out, or would you rather go for the standard S25 series? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.